People say more dreams are realized in Mumbai than any other city in India. NKS Junior College of Arts, Science and Commerce is situated in the city of dream and a prominent education hub of India, that is Mumbai.
It gives me immense pleasure to inform about NKS Junior College of Arts, Commerce and Science. College is permanently unaided and self-financed. The intake capacity of the college is Arts is 80 seats, Commerce 160 seats and Science is 80 seats. The management, the principal and the faculty members are focused for the betterment of the students.
NKES Junior College is situated in the heart of the Mumbai city. It is one of the well-known junior college in Wadala. We have the team of well-experienced teachers who give value-based education to the student. We look at overall development of the students.
Being a professor of art stream, we try to hunt the different talents of our kids. Why join arts in this institution? So, let me tell you that this institution gives a wide range of opportunities for the students to explore their talents. They are given a different courses as an add-on benefits. We also have an activities that is conducted on offline and online basis, wherein they take part in drawing, poster making, video making and different such activities. And we as teachers follow different methods of teachings where we try to engage our students so that we can solve their problems and build their knowledge.
We were the caterpillars when we entered this campus. The teaching and non-teaching staff of NKS were the beautiful butterflies who always protected us, helped us and nurtured us to bloom so that we can face this beautiful or orthodox mentality world with lot of potential and gracefulness within us.
The teachers are very passionate and ensures that each and every student gets success. Determination and persistency are the values embedded by our teachers in us, and this is the cause of a great result.
NKS means connect, create and innovate. In NKS, we develop overall development of a child by giving various courses. The courses which include development of a skill of a child. In banking, we give them banking and finance. For accountant, we give them tally. And for marketing student, we give them marketing development and courses.
We at NKS Junior College are always focusing on the upgradation of the students in the field of digital and information technology. In this fastest growing world, we are providing the students digital certification courses by MKCL. Thus, we are helping the students to upgrade their skills and to help them to face the digital world. Also, we are engaging the students in co-curricular as well as extracurricular activities in the form of Friday Fest.
Being a student of NKS Junior College, Wadala was glorious. I was a part of science section and the teaching given by my professors was very interesting. As we would have an interacting session with them, we were provided with all the high standard facilities for our education being into a science stream.
NKS integrates compassion about their teaching standards and emphasizes the importance of value and have interactive session through each of their classes and lessons.
Education is the most powerful weapon that you can use to change the world. To convert from theoretical aspect to the practical aspect of the subject, we the faculty of NKS nurturing the student in such a way that they can face out the challenges arises in their academic journey as well as their life.
Our college conducts different seminars like Innovative Career in Languages, and it helps us to take part in different activities wherein we can boost our knowledge and build our confidence. We are given guidance on different competitive exams where it helps us to shape our career and make the better future.
Science is concerned with how nature and physical world work together. For this purpose, we have to observe nature very keenly and we have to do the various experiments. For this purpose, we are having very well equipped science laboratories and well qualified teachers. We are here to provide the strength to the wings of the fledgling. We are providing personal attention in academics as well as in all over development of the students.